Hey guys, Josh here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm standing out in front of our brand new 2026 Boston Whaler 16 Super Sport. These are super cool boats. As you know, Boston Whalers are all foam filled. This is a gorgeous color combination. We've got the white top cap, white rub rail, stainless steel insert. This is an Abaco blue. They come paired with a galvanized trailer. Got a spare on this trailer as well. We can walk around here to the back and take a look at what we've got for power. Here on the back of the boat, we've got the upgraded 90 horsepower Mercury. We've got this great ski tow bar, so if you want to pull the kids on a tube or go out there and have a little bit of fun doing some water sports, you can. We've got on this side our telescoping swim ladder. Makes it real easy to get on and off the boat. Let's climb aboard to take a closer look. Guys, we're on board the 16 Super Sport. For a 16-foot boat, this thing's got a lot of room. It's got this big bench seat here. We've got your helm with your tachometer and your binnacle here mounted on the side. There's some storage up here in front of the helm. Moving forward, we've also got this cooler that doubles as a seat. And here in the bow, we have a really big anchor locker so you can stow away your anchor, your chain, your rod. Lots of space up here on the bow. Once again, lots of space inside this boat. If you want to get some bean bags, let your friends hang out here in the back while you're driving around, it's perfect for that. We've got a gorgeous stainless steel bimini top, super great hardware, all stainless steel. We've got our dual 6-gallon removable fuel tanks. We've also got a battery here up underneath the seat. So you guys are ready to get on the water. If you have any questions about this boat or would like to come see it in person, stop by our Greenville showroom or give us a call.